Constellation Pisces is fully visible at 83 degrees north and 56 degrees south, and best spotted by looking to the left of Pegasus. The main stars in Pisces are Alpha Piscium and Eta Piscium. Alpha Piscium, or Alresha, marks the point where the tails of the two fish join. Alpha Piscium's white stars are 140 light-years away and have individual magnitudes of 4.2 and 5.2, giving them a combined magnitude of 3.8. According to the German Pisces legend, a magic fish was found in the only possession a poor husband and wife owned, their bathtub. He came offering to grant the man one wish. At first, the man declined, but after telling his wife about the magic fish, she sent him back, making him wish for a big house. The fish granted the wish, but the wife became greedy, wishing for jewelry, clothes, and other worldly possessions. The fish, angered by this, withdrew all their possessions, leaving them with the bathtub and shack that they started with prior to his visit. Messier 74, also known as NGC 628, is a face-on spiral galaxy located in the constellation Pisces. It is 32 million light-years away from Earth and contains two clearly defined spiral arms. The galaxy's low surface brightness makes it the most difficult Messier object for astronomers to observe. However, the galaxy's relatively large angular size and face-on orientation make it an ideal object for astronomers who want to study spiral arm structure and spiral density waves. It is estimated that M74 is home to about 100 billion stars and has an apparent magnitude of 10. The pinkish regions of M74 indicate that there is proof of nebula, while the dusty areas display evidence of new star formation. It is said that this galaxy is forming sun-like stars at a rate of 2 stars per year. And as of 2011, there are about 300 nebulae found in M74. According to the Greek Pisces legend, the monstrous Typhon threatened to conquer Mount Olympus, home of the gods. As the battle raged between Typhon and Zeus, king of the gods, the other Greek gods and goddesses fled in fear. Aphrodite, goddess of love, and her son Eros, also known as Cupid, journeyed to the Euphrates River. They were found by the water nymphs and transformed into fish, tying their tails together so they would not separate. Another star located in the asterism, known as the Circlet of Pisces, is a yellow subgiant known as Gamma Pisces. Gamma Piscium is 138 light years away from Earth, 10 solar radii in size, and shines with the light of 61 suns. At an apparent magnitude of 3.7, it's the second brightest star in the constellation Pisces, between Eta and Alpha. Although the constellation Pisces finds its roots in Greek mythology, its root name comes from the Latin plural form of the word fish. The Babylonians interpreted Pisces as two fish swimming into the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. However, the Mayans saw Pisces as a bat instead of a fish. In ancient Jewish astrology, the constellation Pisces was known as the House of Israel, the sign of the Messiah, because of the point in heavens where the sun ended its old course and began its new. In 1603, Kepler was making observation of the stars when he discovered Jupiter and Saturn in the constellation of Pisces. The two planets converged to look like one larger and new star. Kepler recalled when there was a conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter in Pisces, the Messiah would come. He concluded that he'd found the Star of Bethlehem, but his hypothesis was rejected. The constellation Pisces has not been restricted to ancient times. In the animated television series Avatar: The Last Airbender, there is a pond known as the Spirit Oasis, where two koi fish swim. One is black, one is white, and they both appear ordinary. However, in reality, they are the ocean and moon spirits Tao and La. The Spirit Oasis is the most spiritual place in the Northern Water Tribe. In fact, the moon and ocean spirits themselves reside in it in the form of the two fish. The avatar may enter the spirit world in the terms of astrology. Pisces is the 12th and last sign of the Western zodiac. Although it is regarded as the 12th constellation of the zodiac, its progression has brought the vernal equinox from Aries into Pisces, so that it is technically the first constellation.